That smells amazing.
Kuku Paka. Fun to say, delicious to eat. This tastes like an Indian curry, and it might be the easiest legit curry you ever make because you can get everything from regular grocery stores.
That's insanely good, and it's such an easy recipe.
Okay, aromatics first. Chop up an onion, finely minced garlic and ginger.
Drumsticks and thighs.
Pat the chicken dry, then sprinkle with salt and pepper. Sear the chicken skin until golden, then remove onto a plate. Then do the same for the drumsticks.
Wonder where Doza is. Doza, out of the kitchen, spitting, hot. Doza, out.
For the sauce, give the onion a head start before adding the ginger and garlic. Then add the spices, cumin, coriander, turmeric and chilli. Cook it off for 30 seconds. This makes the flavour bloom, so don't skip it. Add coconut milk, tomato and salt, then give it a stir. Add the chicken into the sauce and just arrange them as best you can so they're submerged. Don't worry if there's some sticking out, it'll just kind of steam under the lid. Simmer for 10 minutes with the lid on, then 20 minutes with the lid off to let the sauce thicken.
To finish it off, lemon juice, some coriander, give that a stir, mix around the chicken. Yum! Oh, this sauce is everything. How good does that look? That smells amazing. That is so good. It's all mine.